Hey guys, I'm not going to talk too long because I don't got too much to say. My lights just went out. It might be pretty dark in here now. Yeah, it's definitely pretty dark in here now. 1 second. All right, that might be a little better. Hopefully it is. What I say, a hike a day keeps the doctors away. We're gonna go hike Mount Diablo. Hopefully I'll be able to see a lot of the park. I think it'll be like about 6 miles on all trails. It's gonna be about maybe like an hour away from me. So a little bit of a drive, but that's never a worry. Alrighty, let's go, let's do this. A lot of things to up you guys on and not a lot of time because I don't want to burn any daylight. It's about 7 a.m. right now. Long story short is the park opens at 8. I'm here at 7. Yeah, so that's not great. I'm gonna go try and park at like a little neighborhood right down the road and maybe just try walking because I don't really want to wait an hour until the park opens. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. I'll keep you guys updated. See you guys soon. All right, what up guys? Walking to the park right now. As you can see, I'm walking on the road, no cars. We've got such a beautiful landscape behind me. So instead of the grand loop of Mount Diablo, I'm gonna be doing all the waterfalls of Mount Diablo. Hey, that'll be sweet, let's do it.
I've seen all the wolves in this place, been a wolf in this place. I've been watching the rats in the race. I was a rat in the race, seen the love in me fade. I am no longer here, the place I fear, the place that fills me. You are the words I feel, the knot that heals, the place I kneel to. Tell me that you wanna leave with me, tell me that you wanna go with me. Don't you wanna get out of here, out of the woods? Tell me that you wanna leave with me, tell me that you wanna go with me. Don't you wanna get out of here, out of the woods? We walk down to the ocean, your sarcasm heavy laden on me. Your eye contact leaves a message. My love stacked on top of the trees brought me down to the river, and you pushed me in.
All right, we're about maybe I'd say like a quarter of the way through. It's been a pretty nice hike so far. Let's continue on.
I feel you're how I deal, you're who I run to. Tell me that you wanna leave with me, tell me that you wanna go with me. Don't you wanna get out of here, out of the woods? Tell me that you wanna leave with me, tell me that you wanna go with me. Don't you wanna get out of here, out of the woods? I walk it down to the willow to show you the leaves. I say they are just like us, ever changing into the.
All right, what up dudes? About halfway done with the hike. I'm gonna go off trail. This path goes off and up and to the right, and I'm kind of done with this long, wide trail. Nothing wrong with a long, wide trail, but you know, it gets a little boring after a little while, so I'm gonna go kind of bushwhacking. Let's do this.
Out of the woods. Tell me that you wanna leave with me, tell me that you wanna go with me. Don't you wanna get out of here, don't you wanna get out of the woods? Tell me that you wanna leave, tell me that you wanna live, tell me that you wanna go.
All right, I'm not gonna stay here long because I'm kind of spooked out, but look at this snake skin. Oh my gosh. You guys see that? That is crazy. Oh my God. All right, I'm gonna keep moving.
Out of the woods. that you wanna leave with me. Tell me that you wanna go with me. Don't you wanna get out of here? Out of the woods, out of the woods.
All right, T-minus like 5 seconds on the hike. We're about to turn the corner where the car lies, hopefully. Yeah, let's just see if this no parking spot turned out for the best for the 3 to 4 hours I was on this hike. All right, let's do this thing. Let's turn the corner and fingers crossed, car. Oh, there she is. Do you see her? No, that's not her. That isn't her. There she is. All right, see you later, guys. All right, guys, don't tell anybody I'm about to do this. Woo!